Hi, I am Koti Saripalli, delighted to showcase TDP Connect. On screen, you see real Android phone as well real iPhone being simulated through reflection technology. TDP Connect's central command, control and operation center is also seen on the web in background. TDP Connect establishes next generation digital platform for TDP members leaders at all levels till last mile cadre. In this demo, Android will showcase cadre member, iOS will showcase cadre leader features. Login is necessary only for the first time. TDP Connect built with international design and quality, yet as simple as 1 to 3 to use. This is to include even the last mile cadre. Wall is what every TDP cadre, be it member, be it leader, get to see upon opening the TDP Connect application. Wall consists everything cadre want to know, everything leader want to communicate to cadre, and lot more. Here is voice announcement. Here is benefit. One can explore the happenings of party in relevance to themselves in as they happen date and time manner, or use filter on top right to see only what is needed. Announcement can be short and precise instructions for cadre in text and voice. As you see, that's a voice announcement. Let's go ahead and play it. తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ కార్యకర్తలందరికీ డిజిటల్ టీడీపీ కనెక్ట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కి స్వాగతం. And it goes on. And you as you can see it further, there is also text announcement. Benefits explains what party could offer to cadre over and above. These are the two benefits that we had published so far. There can be a lot more benefits published on the platform, and cadre can go ahead and click on the benefit and see what the benefit is all about and who is offering the benefit. And the best part is cadre will have these benefits within their phones even when the phone is not connected to internet. News and updates gives enormous amount of content for cadre to digest and spread around in attractive text, photo and video formats. As you can see here, this is publicity material and this is coverage on honorable party president, and these are the event photos, and this is actually latest news. So if you can see latest news, it's amazing to see entire social network embedded together along with the news. There's Facebook, there's Twitter, and there is YouTube. And I can just go ahead and click on YouTube right here, and I can actually listen to it. Otherwise, I can go ahead and share it across Twitter, share it across Facebook, or I can actually share the whole of this article on my WhatsApp or on my, all social networking channels and all channels wherever I can share this information. So it is as simple as 1 2 3. And yeah, if you take a look at the photos format, this is the event happened yesterday, and we have coverage of photos in real time, and people will would party cadre would love to be in association with this content as the content come through. Instant contextual smart surveys will capture cadre pulse, also make cadre feel they are further they are furthermore included in the party. As you can see here, your opinion on Mahanadu, that's amazing from my point of view. And మన ప్రభుత్వ పథకాల్లో మీకు నచ్చినవి సుజల స్రవంతి, చంద్రన్న పెన్షన్, ఫైబర్ గ్రేడ్, and IIDT. I like pretty much everything. And that's as simple as that. I can actually go ahead and answer. However, for doing, be it reading latest party news or responding to party surveys, whole TDP Connect is gamified, and hardworking cadre always gets their due recognition. As you can see here, there are TDP reward points, and one get to see their entire reward points, and also the kind of badges that they have earned so far, and the badges further more to come. Also, they get to see list of other people who are doing well in their particular group. Knowledge game is suddenly fun way to foster party knowledge into cadre and nurture next gen leaders. Who is the longest serving CM of AP? I tried answering it. And who is TDP leader in parliament? I can just go ahead and answer it. This is how, this is a fun and interactive party knowledge can be disseminated in the minds of party cadre till the last mile. That's the best advantage. It's not just about party cadre. It's not just about party cadre seeing the information provided by party leaders, but also party cadre has ability to raise any question that they wanted to raise, be it about their locality, be it about their leader, or be it about their overall party members. Even the last mile cadre member has the ability to go ahead and raise a question, and that question will actually be routed to corresponding concerned people, and eventually the question gets escalated till the honorable party president. So every single one can actually go ahead and find the information that they wanted to find about the party, about standpoint, about vision, about the future. So all the questions that they've asked, they'll find the questions here. And at the same in the same manner, party member can also go ahead and share feedback on party activities, feedback on the leaders, feedback on government, feedback on various aspects, and they can simply go ahead and share the feedback. All the feedbacks that they share will be made available for further future purposes, and these feedbacks will be seriously monitored and seriously digested at a central control and command stations. See how simple and futuristic for TDP leader to connect with their entire cadre till last mile in real time right from their mobile. Let's create announcement as leader. Announcement can be just text, voice, or both. Entire TDP Connect is contextual and aware about hierarchy. Advantage of this is one can publish announcement or any other information only for a particular ward or for a whole state and nation in less than 30 seconds, and the entire cadre gets it in less than 1 minute. TDP Connect is the world's best platform for communication, collaboration, and coordination. This is the most sophisticated platform built ever for these purposes, and the Telugu Desam Party has been the very first one in the entire world to have something like this. Hope you're loving what you're seeing. We are not able to demo more than 20% of what we have in best interest of time. Hope you're loving what you're seeing. Thank you. So there goes the voice and text announcement in less than 30 seconds, and TDP cadre gets it in less than 1 minute. There you go. Let's go ahead and see if we can play the nation in less than 30 seconds, and the entire cadre gets it in less than 1 minute. TDP Connect is the so there you go. Let's go to one fantastic feature, that is enterprise chat built right in the heart of TDP Connect. So There comes a time where leader wanted to go ahead and have an interactive session. For an instance, a ward member decided to discuss with all of his ward members, or an MLA, honorable MLA decides to uh, interact with all of his constituency people, or for that matter, honorable party president happen to have a conversation with rest of the entire party members. um, just imagine, so beautiful it is, and how exciting it would be for party members to actually have a conversation with party president in live, right? And that too in completely TDP's periphery, no public information, completely within the TDP circle in a most secured environment. So TDP leader here wants to go ahead and have a conversation with TDP member. So TDP leader is going to go ahead and say hi, hello, and it actually goes to TDP member. TDP member goes ahead and responds. They can actually have a text conversation, and TDP leader can go ahead and ask for location. TDP member goes ahead and sends it. Then TDP leader can go ahead and see the location, download location, see where it is in the map. And if you want to actually go ahead and go to the directions, you can go. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and share maybe a voice chat, and that comes to TDP member in real time. See the pace at which these are coming, and play it there. Yeah, TDP leader can go. TDP leader can go ahead and share a photo. Yep, and member gets it in no time. Yeah, go ahead, take a video. And there comes video on iPhone with TDP leader. Okay, that's good. While you have seen TDP cadre as well as TDP cadre member as well as TDP cadre leader use cases on Android and iPhone, wall is pretty prominent one. Wall is single digital canvas capable enough of doing every single activity for member as well as for leader. However, if the member or leader are interested to explore benefits, they can come here. And if they are interested in exploring what's actually assigned by when, which party programs are lined up for what date, they can always go ahead and see um, the events. So that's what with the member as well as with the leader. And one last detail here is we have TDP Connect has comprehensive messaging system, an alternative to email, right inside the TDP Connect. This can be made use by the TDP party cadre as well as leaders in order to have conversations, a mail thread kind of conversations. And also, these messages will be made use, these messages will be made use in order to wish people, in order to establish more emotional connectivity with the cadre. For an instance, a cadre member sitting in last mile has been doing an extraordinary job, and his reward points have been so great, and he's been quite active. So system through its artificial general intelligence, TDP Connect as a platform through its artificial general intelligence will go ahead and send an appreciation mail straight out of a honorable party president's uh, message box. That'll be something phenomenal for the party member to have. And at the same time, for long serving party cadre members, when there is their birthday, for an instance here, then there can be a personalized wish. So as you can see, the personalized wish has come um, all over, right from party president. And this is something that makes people feel connected, that makes a TDP cadre, be it members or be it leader, feel like that they're part and parcel of TDP in years to come, not just about continuing but also going forward. So this is with the TDP Connect on the application front so far. Let's take a look at TDP Connect's a central command and control station. Let's take devices off the hook. I'm just taking the device off. I'm logging in to TDP Central Command and TDP Connect Central and Command and Control Center empower harnessing gigantic amount of big data of cadre through analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. For an instance, this is a dashboard of, by the way, all the information that we are using, like group moderator or the reward points of the moderator, and rest of the information is all about the test data and had no actual relevancy. So we just wanted to simulate the context. As you can see, dashboard says total benefits are the amount of increment in collaboration. Fundamentally, these are the KPIs, key performance indicators. And we look forward at Telugu Desam Party knowledge, Telugu Desam Party veterans to tell us what are the KPIs and what is the logic of deriving these KPIs among the beautiful human interactions we are creating across TDP Connect, and they will be surfaced here. And at the same time, latest news and updates, latest surveys, latest benefits, and what all the various events coming up in TDP calendar. And here comes the wonderful part: who have been the best participating TDP cadre members in the network, who has contributed more in terms of whenever a person survey comes they respond, or whenever there is a blog they read and they actually spread it across their network. Otherwise, whenever there is a knowledge game or questions, they'll actually go ahead and keep answering the knowledge game questions. They know a lot about party. Such kind of people are the ones you're actually gonna see in leaderboard. At the same time, while rewards are recognition of people, at the same time, rewards also enable us to understand who is not participating. And probably the kind of information that TDP Connect has, we are hoping TDP Connect will, through its artificial general intelligence and machine learning, will tell you out of entire Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, these regions are the best interactive and best involved regions, and these regions needs push and needs furthermore um, contribution, right, to that extent. And here is a nice little 3D chart which actually surfaces various reports. At this point in time, we just kept a few sampling reports here: TDP cadre by age, and TDP cadre by platform like iOS or web or Android, what they're using to log into TDP Connect, and the TDP cadre by gender. By all means, this is a test data, and these kind of reports can be added a lot more and more with the help of big data analytics. We will be able to bring entire instrumentation in the fingertips. That's the best part of dashboard. And dashboard also enable TDP party uh, leaders to go ahead and deal with the messages. One can actually create a new message, or one can read existing messages, and they can also do a party calendar, such as they can find out one can actually establish on so and so date, so and so programs. For an instance, if you see on 7th, there are about three programs, party programs. Like so, every single day, the party programs can be marked well ahead, not just this month. We can actually go to July and we can plan programs in July, or we can plan programs for entire year. Otherwise, we can go to week and see the week schedule. Otherwise, we can go to day and see the day schedule. Adding a new calendar is as simple as this. And then comes rewards. In terms of rewards, um, what are the various activities that people can do and can earn rewards, and what are the various badges that the people can actually have? So by all means, these are the sampling badges that we have here, but we are hoping to have real badges, once we gather that information, once we gather knowledge right from TDP, um, Telugu Desam Party veterans. And here is news and updates. In news and updates section, one can go ahead and publish news or videos or gallery for that matter, or they can actually go ahead and see list of all contributions that they've done. For an instance, Navyandra Nirmananiki Radhasarathi, and they can in fact go ahead and add it, sorry, they can go ahead and edit it in real time, and every single information is made available for them. So same thing with benefits, and also surveys can be added in the same way. The advantage of surveys is that you can create a brand new survey, and while creating survey, you can say how many number of questions you're interested to ask in this survey. One question, two questions, or three questions. For an instance, if it is three questions, then you can also say question two is dependent on question one, and in question one, question one is test question, test option 1, test option 2, and we can also specify is it a single answer or multiple answer, such as selection of the fill in the selection of the checkbox or just a radio button. And we said question 1 is relevancy, and అర్థం కాలే. Then I have test option 1, test option 2. So the question 2 will come only um, when people select test option 2 as the answer for the first question. So this is how survey can be built, multi-layered survey can be built right on the phone. And then there is knowledge game can again be created. um, for an instance, here if you see, knowledge game is all about particular countries, particular states, particular district. For an instance, in India and in Andhra Pradesh, then probably would like to you know create set of questions about Bhimavaram. So I can actually go ahead and say options would be number of options are 3, and game question, who has been the longest serving party convener in Bhimavaram. And I can actually go ahead and give options. And I can give person 1, person 2, person 3, and I can make a particular question as, particular answer, particular option as answer. And I can also go ahead and change the image. I'm gonna go ahead and change image. So there comes image, and all I have to do is to save. As soon as I save it, the survey will be made available for people straightforward. So this is about TDP Connect. Would like to quickly summarize TDP Connect in terms of a presentation. Here is what it is. TDP Connect is a Telugu Desam Party digital platform. Telugu Desam Party Connect engages, educates, and empowers last mile cadre member. Bharat Innovation Labs, everything that you have seen actually is built over last 4.5 years time at Bharat Innovation Lab and secured with more than 13 patents. This is all about communication, collaboration, and coordination. When applied well to Telugu Desam Party, it's about engagement, engaging the cadre, educating the cadre, and empowering the cadre. With Telugu Desam Party considered as one large organization, entire cadre are people that organization wanted to deal with, are the people who want to deal with the organization. Project 9 is all about bringing communication, collaboration, and coordination under one roof in a beautifully integrated manner that the world has never seen before. Telugu Desam Party, first in the world to have a platform like Project 9 and the abilities that everything Project 9 processes. 4.5 years of research. This is yet again one more feather in already amazing hat of Telugu Desam Party. Summarizing, Project 9 enables cadre to see their benefits, cadre to get their announcements in voice and text, cadre to get targeted news in text, videos, and photos, and also includes an enterprise messaging system, interactive knowledge games, events and schedule information about the party all along local, district, state, and national level, international privacy and security controls, capability of mass video sharing that you had seen, instant and targeted pulse, cadre to leader, leader to cadre. It's not just about leader sending information, cadre seeing it, but cadre also can go ahead and ask for information and raise questions, give feedback. It's complete 360 degrees full life cycle. Enterprise chart, real time, rich collaboration, hierarchy aware, that's location aware, that's large amount of loads. It can deal with large amount of loads. A party president can go ahead and send a message and 20 lakhs, 30 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore, 5 crores. We have algorithms what they take in order to deal with that massive loads. And real time from mobile, everything that we have been talking about is happening in real time right out of your palm. That's the benefit, that's the power. And with TDP Connect, TDP will be everywhere, be it Macs, be it PCs, be it tablets, be it phones, be it laptops. Telugu Desam Party Connect is made available everywhere. And the central control and command center, as you have seen it, overall, Telugu Desam Party Connect is all about digital platform for Telugu Desam Party. Hope you have loved. Hope you have loved what you have seen. There's a lot more to show, a lot more to talk, but in the best interest of time, try squeezing in as much as possible. Thank you for listening. Thanks for all your time. Hope you loved what you have seen. Thank you. Looking forward to be in association to learn from and to grow along. Thank you once again.